Low Cheap Dave here. We are on Beach Road now. So I lived above this shop here. But it used to be a restaurant. Everybody can. It used to be a restaurant, but the owner I seem to recognise. Seems like he's the same bloke. So he's changed it from restaurant to massage. Lady here that does the pizzas. Oh, cake. I thought it was pizza. Yeah, it is pizza too. They do with pizza. And we've got massage here. Not a clue what the time is. Right, we're on Soy 5, which is the road to immigration. Just up there you got Cheap Charlie's, you got Cheers. There's quite a few bars. There's a Jimmy's bar just up there as well. Now that's owned by the same man, run by the same people. They've also got the bar in Soy 7 and the bar the other side of the water at the end of Jomtien Beach. So go and take a look at any of them. This is where you get a bus to Jomtien, to Bangkok. Price is 180 baht, and you end up in the central of Bangkok where you can get a sky train to more or less anywhere you need to be in Bangkok. A nice restaurant here, surf kitchen, looks very nice. So yeah, there's some of your prices of the surf kitchen. So the roadworks don't seem to have affected them, because you come into the busier part of Jomtien around here. So down to Soy 6. Get your hair cut. There's a couple of massages and stuff down there, but it's mainly rooms to rent. If you're stuck for a room, you could end up down there, get a fairly cheap room. I think you're paying, you can get single room down there for around 700-800 baht for a night. Obviously with my long-term deal I'm paying a lot less in my condo, but that's the way it goes. The longer you book, the cheaper you get. So yeah, these roadworks go all the way down here. And that's the trouble, you see, because if you book hotels along here, hello, if you book hotels along here, you can not get to the beach without walking round. You've got the cones here. There's your prices. Okay. Right, so what we got now, you got Italian. All the pizzas here, look. All the prices. So check them out if you want. There he is. Oh, so we're down as far as Soy 7. So this is where I'm going to be going to watch the football. I'll check the time and see if I've got to go now or I'll do a different road. Okay, so it's 6:15. I was going to go and do the next soy, but I've only got 15 minutes till the game starts. So I'm going to make my way up to Jimmy's bar. We'll have a look at the bars up here on the way. See if Jay and Ant have turned up. Now the Phupai bar is one of my favourite bars, only because you can sit right out on the road, very comfortable seats, chill out, and you can even watch the football here. So that's always a good bar to go to. The Tiki bar, the beer. I have sat down in a couple of these little bars here to make budget videos. Maybe next time I'll have to come down in the evening time, and it's a bit busier. A nice restaurant here. It's Emily. Been here since 2004. You can have lasagna for 169, fried potatoes at 85 baht. You got so what's that then? Gordon Blue. Anyway, you can get that chicken for 169. You get schnitzels for 149, or you can have fish and chips for 175 baht. Yeah, so very good. Cheese omelette at 125, English breakfast at 169, or scrambled eggs cheese croissant for 135. So yeah, just gives you an idea of some of the prices over here. So you got a couple of massages over there. Now it was just up here where that sports bar I showed you the other day used to be. Moved to Pattaya. So you got the Hog's Breath bar over here. And then you got the Bun Mi bar for Thai food. And I've been over there and sat down, made videos of me, my budget videos. So, gonna watch myself, gonna get killed. You got the high massage over there. And you've got the street seller selling handbags. So yeah, lady and man salon. So, I think I had a haircut in there last time I lived in Jomtien. You've got the Kitty bar and restaurant over there. Hello. Oi. Sorry, cab. We've got the Sunrise bar and restaurant here. And that's the Somewhere bar and restaurant. We've got Back to the Future music bar. I've not seen that place before. Well, I've seen the place, but not called the Back to the Future. That looks like it might be new signage, but not sure. You know, with my memory, not a clue. Sorry, cab. Alice in Wonderland. You got Jay's rent a car there. I'll have to ask him how he's doing. Yeah, so this place here is called the Ping Pong Beer Bar. It used to be Legends. This used to be Legends, and they've moved to Pattaya. So, yeah. So over here is an extension to the Ping Pong Beer Bar. There are hotels here, the Paradise Residence. You have some with balconies and some without. We got the Jomtien Hotel up here. Yeah. We've got the family restaurant here. Very quiet at the moment, might pick up later. We've got Tops Daily. I know the 7-Eleven is at the far end by the market. There's lots of places to stay around here. And lots of little bars. We've got the Cheeky's bar here. Looks fairly quiet. Sweaty cab. Hello. Got the apple bar behind this ice truck. KM bar and restaurant over there. Oh, this chap here doing all this street food. The barbecue on the go. Yeah, we're up to the busier end of this road, till 7. I can see the sign for Jimmy's just up the road. So we're going to pop in there, grab a beer. Hopefully Jay and Ant have turned up. So yeah, that's the plan. So this will be the end of the Tractor Boys Walkabout. Please like, subscribe, press the bell. And I will be back with some more junk tomorrow. One last thing before I go, if you could subscribe to my new channel, Cheap Dave in Thailand, I'd appreciate it. All helps the channel to grow and get bigger. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with some more junk. Thanks for watching. Here we are, Jimmy's bar. And there is the Ravel. So what?
It's even got stickers on back in camera.
So what he cab?
You'll catch up to Welsh Wine Webby soon.
Right. So just come out of Soy 7 from Jimmy's bar. Waiting for a bar bus. Been watching the Liverpool game. A little bit disappointing, but never mind. And here we go. Yeah, so on my way back now to Gondo. Watching Liverpool game. Now, got to go back to Condo, UTLA 1, and I think I've got a dummies tournament to go to when I get home. So we're just back at the traffic lights now by Praia, up the hill, and I'll be home. So we can buy all these sexy dresses off these cards. If you have a girlfriend who wants to wear sexy dresses, there's Praia down to the beach. And soon we'll be home. Okay, we're just back from the Ipswich Liverpool game, which is very disappointing. I'm walking down the entrance to UTLA 1, and I thought I'd see if Ming Ming's about, and we'll see how long these kittens last before someone steals them. Now I can see them in the distance here. They're playing, having fun. There they are. Hi babies. Hi Ming Ming. Hello. Hello. Hey, don't go for me. Don't go for me. Hello. No, you're not allowed down there. No, you go that way. Have fun with your mate, with your brother or sister. So we got 2 of the babies. Not a clue where the other 3 are. And I don't know where Mum is. But they're having fun. So, I'll keep you updated with the kittens. Good night, Ming Ming. Ming Ming. Good night.
โอ้โห อันนี้ก็ยูทูบนี่มันตามมาถ่ายถึงนี่เลยนะเราเสียเราสายทอดนี่นะวันนี้มีส่งก่อนอยู่เลยไงเนี่ยเดี๋ยวนี้แล้วเขาทำการอะไรใช้คนด้วยมือเจี๊ยบจัดอาจารย์
There we go, look at that. Look at